Okay, if this one don't want to be worked in an easy way, we can do it in a hard way. Okay, and when doing it in the hard way, I can spot the first problem. For this one, the armature is overheated. And I'm back with the armature for this drill. You can see the difference in the both armatures, and the biggest difference is here in the copper wiring. You can see the new one and the old one, so the old one definitely goes to the recycle bin. And now we need to assemble the new one. Don't forget, it's the bum here. The bum goes in the housing pin here. We'll put everything in together, the gears together. And now I forgot where the bump was. Okay, we'll try to close it. Okay, now we can test it. Okay, now as we test it, just remember I have screwed out the screw and I need to replace the chuck for this one. The customer asked, so I will try the good old trick. Okay, we have inserted the checking device, tighten the Allen key, and we'll try to unscrew it like that. If no luck, we'll try to hammer it. And you can see I got the chuck. Move it. Oops. Now as we have the chuck removed, we can easily mount the new one. And we have nice new chuck on our drill. Of course we have the new armature here, so definitely it will be the drill that will long or last. For you, just thank you for watching. I hope my video helps for you. If it helps, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and waiting in my next video. Bye.